welcome back to my channel. Remember I said it was going to be a part 2 and I'll be right back. Well, I'm back. Y'all, in this part we'll be doing some wand curls. I got this 5-in-1 curler from Amazon that will be linked below in my Beacons link, or I'll just put my storefront in the bio. Not the bio, the description.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it.
Anyways, yeah, let's get right to it. Okay, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and save this video for later if you want to do some wand curls. I don't know, but what you need is some curlers, free spray or some spritz, rat tail comb, and then some clips. This is gonna be a sped-through video, so enjoy. Bye.
Remember you used to drive your car, pick up whenever you call, in the parking lot in Tucson. Are you with me? When I stand with the roof gone, I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. We can help you get a move on, like you haul, and I know we need to go slow, but we could go faster. Let me the password. You know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. Popping nice things. Slide. For me, other man tryna get in the bed. So I'ma get smashed instead. I know it's gonna make you bad. What would I do? Falling in love, you babe. What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do? I can tell your friends if you don't want that money. You need to go slow, but we can go faster. Let me the password. Slide, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. Popping nice things. Slide, for me other man tryna get in the bed. So I'ma get smashed instead. I know it's gonna make you mad. What would I do? I didn't love you, babe. What would I do? I didn't love you, babe. What would I do? I didn't love you.
Okay, so I'm gonna get this comb here. First, I'm gonna use my hands though. I'm gonna use my hands and take some of this, and also this. Leave that into this side. First, to my part. Look at it, this side, this side. Ooh, that's cute. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna have to fix that. It's okay. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You know, I was looking at that camera the whole time. It's okay. I'm gonna twist it real quick. Okay. All right, y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you like this video. Again, comment some styles. Share the video. What else? That's it. All right. Well, thank you. Bye.